Hi friends, how are you? I am Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD. In this video, I will show you how to create notebook page in LibreOffice Writer. Previously, I had shown how to create notebook page in MS Word. You can watch that video from I button or link is given in the description box. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, this is LibreOffice Writer, and at first we will insert table. So for inserting table, click on this drop down menu. From here, more options, then column 1 and rows should be 20. Okay, and here have different sort of styles. If you select the style, you can see the preview here. Okay, there are a lot of styles. From here I'll select box list blue, this one, then click on insert. Then for selecting the full table, just press Ctrl A, right click. From here size, row height. So from here I'll select row height 0.4 inch. Okay, just click on fit to size, then click on OK. So this is how it is looking. So now what I'll do, I will insert a date here. So I will insert a text box. So for inserting text box, just click on insert text box and draw a text box here. Here I'm writing date colon, press Ctrl A for selecting the text. Then from here I will increase to 18 point. Then I will select font. From here I will select Lucida calligraphy. See how it's looking? And I'll select text color to blue, this one. Now what I'll do, I'll insert a line here. Okay, so insert, from here shape, then line, this line. Okay, I'm drawing it here. Then I'll take it here and I'm leaving it here. Then I'll place the date here and I'll leave it. Okay, I will insert a rounded rectangular here. Okay, so insert, from here shape, then basic shapes, from here rectangle rounded. Okay, then I will draw the rectangle rounded here and I will align with the table. Okay, from here color none. I will increase the line width to 0.02 inch. Okay, then I'm selecting the line. Then from here I will select scattered line. Double dash will be looking okay. So see how it looks. Date is complete, and now we will go to at the bottom left corner, and here we will add company name. So again, insert text box. I will draw a text box here. I'll write company name here, LMN Distribution Company Limited. Okay, then I will write email here. Email should be lmn@gmail.com. Okay, then I'll select the text. From here I'll increase the font size to 20. Then I will increase the box size. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll select the company name from here. Then from here I'll select Lucida handwriting. Okay, then I'll increase the box size little bit. Again email. Then from here Lucida handwriting. Now I'll select the company name. I'll change the color to lime. Okay, now what I'll do, I will highlight the email. So I'm selecting the email, and from here I will select highlighting color to lime. Okay, so see how it looks. This is the table, this is date, and at the bottom left the first one is company name and the second one is email. Now I am zooming out little bit for getting the actual view. Okay, so this is the actual view, and now the last thing is I will insert the company logo. Okay, I'm selecting the mouse pointer at the center of table. Then what I'll do, I will insert picture. So for inserting picture, click on insert picture. From desktop I will select my picture, this one, then open. Okay, then what you will do, right click, wrap in background. Okay, image mode default is selected by default. What you will do, just click on drop down menu, from here watermark. Okay, and now just click on up arrow from your keyboard, just for taking it at the center. Okay, so I'm done. So what I have done so far, at first I have inserted table, then I have formatted the table little bit, then at the top right corner I have added a date, some line, rounded rectangular, and at the bottom left corner I have added company name, email, I have highlighted the email. At last, I have inserted the company logo. Okay, so this is how you can create a notebook page in LibreOffice Writer very easily. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I have shown a demo. I have created the notebook page in my way, but you can create the notebook page in your style in a more creative way. Okay, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The link is given in the description box. If you have any query, just comment in the comment section. I'll try to reply. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up. Share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.